Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER NAGA PRO. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, make sure that your mouse is connected with the PC. Once it's connected, make sure to download Razer Synapse. And install the app. Continue. And once the app is installed, open it. Continue as guest or log into your account. And once it's done, you've got access to your dashboard, mouse, game room, devices and modules. Basically, Razer app is very specific and high advanced. It has multiple features like macros, linked games, dashboard for every app, and connection with multiple Razer apps like Chroma and more. As you can see, the app will automatically recognize your mouse, and it's basically done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.